In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model a three-phase inverter in Simulink. Okay, and for that I'm browsing library, and under Simscape Electrical Specialized Power System, and I need a DC voltage source, and under Power Electronics Universal Bridge. Okay, as this input is left side, I'm rotating this universal bridge using format, flip block, and left and right. Okay, and for get signal we need a PWM generator. This is our 2-level PWM generator, and we need a sine wave. Here is a I'm changing the sine wave like a frequency at 2 pi 50. Okay, as this is rate per second, you have to change this, and there is a simple change compared to single phase. We have to put phase for single phase. Okay, for a single three phase is 0 minus 2 pi by 3 and plus 2 pi by 3. So okay, this was for sine wave, and I'm connecting this, and under PWM 2-level generator at 3-phase bridge 6 pulses. Okay, and frequency I'm taking a 50 into 100, as my frequency is 50 Hz. Sine wave carrier frequency should a greater value, and I'm taking initial phase as 0. Click OK, and I'm connecting this, and DC voltage source is here. So okay, here next we need RLC branches. Okay, under passive you'll find 3-phase series RLC branch, and we need inductor, and basically I'm taking LC filter. Okay, for smooth output, and then C 100 microfarad is enough, I think. Control R, and I'm taking 2 block of R. Okay, now click OK. Now connect this RLC branch. Sorry, we can take a VI measurement so we can visualize this. And here, okay, B, C, and this is capacitor, and we need a ground. Okay, ground is under utilities, I think. Sorry, I'm deleting this and putting a VI measurement block. I think okay. So this is all you need, and a scope to visualize this. Okay, it's not done yet. We have to change model parameter to get smooth waveform. Okay, and solver detail max step I am setting as 1 minus 4. Now click OK. So that's all our setting, and I'm checking this 3-phase. Okay, and this is power electronic devices should be IGBT diode. Okay, click OK, and now we are all set. Stop time 0.1 is enough. Run this model. Oh, sorry. We need a power beam block here. under specialized power system and a power GUI block and run this model. Now check the output voltage. Now you can see our three-phase output here. Okay, and before filter the output was look like this VABC. So okay, this is how we can model a three-phase inverter in Simulink using universal base. So thanks for watching.